Here's a Heritage Glen, a 300 BH, been a seller for us for many, many years. Very nice trailer. Everything is upscale in it. Full size outdoor kitchen. Want to have a look there, Dave?
Front fiberglass cap on this one too. Inside, great layout from Heritage Glen. All nice high-end stuff. Corian counters, 8 cubic foot refrigerator in the kitchen. Nice big counters too. Nice pantry. Straight into the bunk room. TV goes in here. Big back window. Nice, nice sofa in the back. TV is in place in this unit as well. Cupboards by the door. Cupboards in the hallway. Nice pillow top mattress. And there's that nice bathroom again. Heritage Glen from Pine Acres. Exit 11.